friends, welcome to Creating with Jovi. I am here for a quick little video to announce the design team call. I'm a month behind with this announcement, which means that this next round of design team will actually only be 4 months instead of 5 months. I usually do July to November. We take December off. We take January off for a nice reset, and then February to June. Is that right? Yes, I think that's right. So I'm behind, but that's okay. This is life. We've moved. I'm trying to set up my creative space. There's so much work to be done, but I am getting there. I'm making progress every single day. So design team, what does that entail? Well, what it entails is that you would use one of my printable kits that I give to you. I donate that to you. And then in exchange, you create something with that kit. It can be anything. I've seen everything from journals to a batch of greeting cards to like tags, ephemera, to boxes and mixed media pieces. So you can be as creative as you'd like to with the printable kits. I ask that, I'm just going to give you all the information in this video, well, everything I can remember. I ask that you don't mix those kits with another creator's printables, but you certainly can use store-bought scrapbook paper, store-bought ephemera, all the goodies that you can get at the store. That's perfectly fine. What else? I like you to use 80% of the kit. I can't remember if I mentioned that, but yeah, 80% if you can. And if you're not going to use 80% in a particular project because of the project, just email me and let me know. Because I know sometimes if you're making a mixed media piece, maybe you can't use that much of the kit, and that's perfectly fine. You would need to share your creations on your social media, YouTube, Instagram. If you have Facebook, definitely there. If you do TikTok, that'd be great. If you do Pinterest even, that'd be wonderful. And then always tag the kit. Like, so the kit's listed in my Etsy store, and so you would put the link to the kit from the Etsy store. You'd put that in your description box as well. So that way people can click on it and go get it. If we don't make things easy for people, they won't go do it. So we really try to do what we can to make it easy for people to grab the things that they feel inspired by that you have created. What else can I tell you? I know there might be more, but I can't think of it off the top of my head right now. Very simple though. I try to keep the rules of the road pretty simple. And I always say the most important thing is to have fun, enjoy being part of the team. I do have some things that I'd like to do coming up. So I'd like to do a Sisterhood of the Traveling journal. I've been in a group doing it, and it's so cool and so fun. So I'd like to do that with the team. And then I have some collaborations I'm just starting to work on. I really need to get that in gear. So I want to do some collabs with the team, and then maybe bring in some other folks too, but definitely have the team on that. Collaborations are always voluntary. You never have to feel obligated to participate in them, but you always get first crack at them. And then what else can I tell you? Oh, and I have some new printables coming out. I have like 3 of them that are just on the cusp of being finished. It's been difficult with everything going on. I'm stretched so thin right now. Oh, there's a bird outside. So cute. Anyway, I'm stretched so thin that I haven't been able to like finish those up. I got a few done while we were in the process of moving, but I've got a couple more I want to get finished and get out there for you guys. Some fresh material to work with. So what else is there? I don't know. If you have questions, email me, and I'll put the email and all that in the description box. But also, I'll just say it here: Jovi, Jovi .50000 at gmail.com. You will have 5 zeros. So you have the number 5 and then 5 zeros. I'm thinking of changing my email address though to Creating with Jovi. So that would make it easier, wouldn't it? So anyway, my friends, thank you so much. If you're interested, email me, let me know. Let me know why you're interested and why you'd want to be part of the team. And then also you would need to link your socials for me so I can go check them out. So all social channels that you have that you would be putting content on, I would like you to link those in the email that you send to me so that I can go check that out. All right, my friends? Well, I appreciate y'all. Okay, thanks for watching. See you soon.